back to your channel Bowerspace. I hope you all are doing good. One of the most stubborn corners of my home is the area under the kitchen sink. My kitchen area in general is not at all well lit, and most of the times, like 99% of the times, I have to depend on artificial light. Well, even worse is the area under the sink. It is so depressing, I can't even tell you. Dark spots come with their own challenges. They are difficult to access, generally very damp, and therefore easily prone to cockroaches if they are not maintained properly. And most of all, dark spots are very easy to get messy. There's no motivation. You're just like doing things for the sake of it. In fact, shooting this area was a bit challenging for me, so please excuse me for imbalanced lighting through different parts of this video. While trying to organize this space, my biggest concern was budget. I did not want to spend money on any organizers or expensive systems for organizing something which is like under the sink. So I only invested in 3 vertical space dividers, which I bought them at a big discount in Bed Bath & Beyond, and everything else in this area was just an upcycle of my existing bins and organizers. My idea of organizing this area was to create space for kitchen cleaning supplies that are being used, and also the extra ones. My biggest troublemaker, however, was the space occupying dustbin. I needed to find a way out for this dustbin too. So to get a better idea of how well I can utilize this space, I did what generally most of us do, which is to empty the area entirely. These shelf dividers worked out perfectly in this decently large space. Well, after creating the space, it was time to sort out the supplies and organize them. I contained each set of items in upcycled, unused containers lying around in my house. House cleaning supplies went into an extra basket. Stuff cleaning supplies went into an old lunchbox whose lid was lost. A few handy cleaning tools went into the lid of an old container that was broken. Now it was time to finish up to organize the rest of the things. I kept those things that I don't need very often in the back and the frequently used ones to the front. Just some few basic steps and this area got a complete facelift. And to solve for the problem of dustbin, I have used these 2 sticker hooks to hang it. Now a quick tip, if you want to hang something to a hook and it won't fit in there, use a rubber band to wrap it around like this and hang it. You don't have to go looking for hooks that fit into this holes of these little cleaners. So friends, this was a real quick video and I hope you got a few ideas on how, with the most basic and least number of things with least number of steps, without having to spend much, how you can organize your area under the sink and make it more spacious and functional. Let me know how you liked this video and found it useful, and until the next time I see you in my next video, stay organized, stay productive, stay happy, and now it's time for the Indian fabric of the day. In today's video, I am wearing a Chanderi silk dupatta with double colored thread work, which is in golden and silver. This was a gift to me from my dad about 8 or 9 years ago. I love this dupatta. I love the simplicity yet the brightness that it comes with. With this dupatta, I am wearing metal earrings which belonged to my sister and I have taken it from her. I don't know when she bought, I don't know from where she bought it, but I think this blue color matches so well with it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. And until the next time I see you, bye bye.